Hello and welcome everyone. I hope you're doing well. Today I'm going to walk you through the steps on how to write a practical criticism. You may not know where to start. I get it. What makes writing a practical criticism so difficult is the term practical criticism itself. It doesn't give us a clear picture of what we are supposed to do. The term practical criticism gives us the impression we are supposed to focus entirely on criticizing a written piece of work like a book extract or a poem, looking for all the flaws in it and exposing them. Practical criticism meaning. Practical criticism is the art of analyzing a specific written extract, maybe from a book or from a poem. Teachers often ask students to analyze a short poem or a book extract without giving them much information about the author or any other background information. Writing a practical criticism can be a daunting task. It reminds me of the old school days. I used to struggle, and it all stopped one day after my former teacher for English literature walked us through steps on how to write a practical criticism. The process she taught us is simple. You will never go wrong. I'm happy to share it. Let's get started. The process or steps simplify everything, and you will write a practical criticism with confidence. I know how it feels like to walk through the classroom door dreading the time for English literature. And knowing that as part of the lesson, you will write a practical criticism. The secret is applying the SIFT steps. Let me explain what these SIFT steps are all about. SIFT is an acronym. S stands for sense, I for intention, F for feeling, and T for tone. Step 1 # sense. Firstly, write a summary of the written extract the teacher or examiner gives you. Sense represents the summary of the piece of work you are given. Why write a summary? Writing a summary is a way to show that you have understood the message behind. You recap what's written, but you must use your own words. Don't use the exact words that are in the written piece of work or in the extract. Step 2 # intention. I stand for the intention. What is the author's intention? What is the aim or the purpose of writing the passage? Step 3 # feeling. F stands for feeling. You need to explain how the author's use of words and the descriptions make you feel as a reader. Is the message vividly portrayed through the author's vocabulary choice? Do the author's writing skills give you a clear picture of the subject of discussion? Avoid making generalized statements like, "The author writes well in this passage," without pinpointing the exact words or phrases and how they make you feel. Step 4 # tone. T stands for the tone. What is the tone that comes across, the author's quality of voice in expressing feelings or thoughts? Often towards the person spoken to. Common mistakes people make in writing a practical criticism. The common mistake people make when they come across book extracts or poems from books they are already familiar with, they bring up that information. This is where they already know so much about the book or given a poem. And they already know the theme, the plot and the storyline. The written piece of work you're given may not be carrying such information, and here is the problem. People bring this information in the practical criticism. Yet, it is important not to source information outside the extract you are given. Why write a practical criticism? Students write a practical criticism to instill discipline in them by focusing on the words in the extract instead of referring to the information about authorship or circumstances of composition. To test knowledge of verse forms and of the technical language for descriptions. To establish the effects of literature testing on readers. Final thoughts. Hopefully, you find this video how to write a practical criticism helpful. Leave your questions and comments below. Let me know what you think. I will be happy to respond as soon as possible.